As generative AI technologies like ChatGPT or Google Gemini become integral to everyday tasks such as composing emails, creating reports, and designing presentations, their usage is skyrocketing in professional settings. However, the convenience of these AI tools comes with a caveat. Many are being used without formal approval from employers, raising significant concerns about data security and privacy. Understanding the risks. When employees use AI platforms not officially adopted by their organization, they potentially expose sensitive corporate data. These platforms, while powerful, often store and process data on external servers. This means any confidential information input into the AI, whether financial figures, proprietary knowledge, or personal employee data, could be at risk of unauthorized access or breaches. Additionally, these tools might not comply with the stringent data protection regulations that govern many industries. For instance, sectors like finance and healthcare have strict guidelines about how and where data can be processed and stored. Using non-vetted AI tools could inadvertently lead to non-compliance issues, resulting in hefty fines and damage to an organization's reputation. Safe usage of generative AI tools at work. To mitigate these risks while still harnessing the benefits of generative AI, here are some practical steps employees and organizations can take. Seek formal approval. Before using any AI tool, consult with your IT department, data governance team, or data security team. They can assess the tool to ensure it aligns with the organization's security policies and compliance requirements. Use nondescript data. If you must use an AI tool for general tasks, avoid inputting sensitive information. Use hypothetical data or generalized scenarios that do not reflect actual, proprietary data. Employ data protection practices. When using these tools, ensure that all data is anonymized or encrypted. This reduces the risk of sensitive information being exposed if a data breach occurs. Advocate for official tools. If a particular AI tool proves beneficial, propose its official adoption to your organization's decision-makers. Highlight its advantages and suggest undergoing a formal review and integration process. Stay informed about security features. Regularly update your knowledge about the security measures provided by your AI tool of choice. Utilize all available options, like two-factor authentication or end-to-end encryption, to safeguard data. Create awareness and training. Organizations should educate their employees about the potential risks of using unofficial AI tools and provide clear guidelines for safe usage. Regular training sessions can help reinforce the importance of data security. While generative AI platforms offer significant advantages in enhancing productivity and the quality of work outputs, using these tools without proper vetting can expose organizations to severe risks. By taking proactive steps to evaluate and control the use of such technologies, businesses can safeguard their data while still benefiting from the advancements AI has to offer. This balanced approach ensures that innovation does not come at the expense of security. I would love to hear from you. What do you think is more critical in safeguarding sensitive data when using AI tools in the workplace? Share your thoughts and experiences.